Hey y'all, Jake from Minuteman Wood Design. Today I'm going to show you how to make these decorative and artsy key racks. Super easy, DIY, you can do it with scrap wood. Let's get into it. First up, I'm going to cut the two platforms for the keys. These will be 14 by 4. You can make them any size, of course, depending on how many hooks you want to put on the rack. Here I am marking out the houses for the first rack. I'm going to make them completely random, different sizes. All they need to do is when they line up, they'll be flush with the 14-inch platform. So after getting the houses cut down to their various sizes, I just got to do a couple of cuts here to ensure that it runs at exactly 14 inches to be flush with the platform. Here I'm marking a point in the middle on the top of where the roofs are going to be, so I can cut these down where they're exactly in the middle. You don't have to make the point of the house or the roof come exactly in the middle. Make it completely different however you like. It's just what I'm going to do. And then the angle of the roofs will vary, be probably between 45 and 30 degrees. But again, do it how you want, make it unique. That's the fun of it. We'll get these roof angles cut out here on the miter saw. Just be real careful because the houses are small. You're keeping your fingers pretty close to that blade. So please be careful here. We'll get everything sanded up for the house key rack, and then we'll move on to the mountain scene key rack. Now I'm just randomly gonna make some angles on these mountains. You can do them however you like. But as you'll see, I'm making the cut in the middle to kind of give it the 3D effect. Sorry, I got the wrong camera angle here. What I'm using my jigsaw to cut these mountains out, and then I'll get them sanded up. Alright, got it pieced together. This is what it's going to look like. What I'm doing here is I'm marking where it's actually going to sit because I don't want to stain that part, so I can have better adhesion with the glue. I saved you from the tedious staining, went ahead and got that done. What I'm doing now is I marked directly down the center of the platform and then marked every 2 inches to drill these pilot holes for the hooks. And now the fun part, we'll finally get to assembling. I'm going to put some glue along the edges you see there where I didn't stain. And then I'm going to line it up here so I can get the brad nailer and just put a nail in each. Sorry for the camera angle, did not need to stick my butt in the camera. Then we'll do the same here with the house key rack. And again, I'll stick my butt in the camera. Sorry about that. We're going to get these hooks screwed in. After this, I'll probably give it a light coat of spray lacquer and we'll be done. And they're done. You can certainly put your own spin on this by doing painting on the houses, making roof pieces, chimneys, doing the mountains different, certainly. Lots to do here to kind of make it your own and make them unique. Good luck and have fun.